Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will explore how to create a simple SQL query interface using large language model. We will walk through the installation of required libraries, importing necessary modules, setting up a MySQL database connection and leveraging an OpenAI language model for natural language interaction with the database. First thing first, let's install the libraries we need. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following commands. Next, we import the libraries in our Python script. These libraries includes tools for language understanding, database interaction, and web app development. Now, we will connect to MySQL database. We use the SQL database class to establish a connection, providing the necessary details like username, password, and database name. We configure an OpenAI language model for natural language understanding. This model helps us process and understand queries written in plain English. To interact with the database using our language model, we create a SQL database toolkit, combining the database connection and the OpenAI model. Now, let us create an SQL agent using our language model and database toolkit. This agent is designed to understand and react to zero-shot description in plain English. To test our setup, we execute our first SQL agent with a plain English question. In this case, the question is how many customers are there? The result is stored in the out variable. Now let us see how the code works. Go to terminal command and click on new terminal. And run the file. It will take some time to get the output. The question will be sent to our database. It will query the database and get the result for us. You can see here the question was how many customers are there, and you could see it is returning a result 122. So that means there are 122 customers in our database. Fantastic. We have successfully set up our simple SQL query interface using large language model and MySQL database, allowing us to interact with our database using natural language. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy coding!